everyone. Welcome to the course of Internet of Things, in short IoT. In today's class, we are going to learn a new topic called Arduino language programming preferences. So coming to the Arduino programming languages preferences, so it has been divided into three main parts. The first one is the functions. The second one is the values, where we consider them as variables and constants. And the third one is the structure. Coming to the functions, we have several types of functions like digital input outputs, math, bits and bytes, analog inputs and outputs, trigonometry, external interrupts, advanced input and outputs, characteristics or characters, interrupts, okay, and time, random numbers, communication, USB related, and Wi-Fi, and all these are considered as under the first one, functions. So mostly we will be regularly using these digital input output functions as well as analog input output functions. Remaining all the functions will be used according to the requirements. But digital and analogs are most widely used functions in the Arduino programming language preferences. Now, coming to the digital IO, we can use digital read to digitally read the sensor data, and you can digitally write the uh, data according to the given sensor input. Okay. Now we have also pin mode where we will be initializing the pins of a particular input and output devices. So similarly, we have analog read resolution function, analog reference function, analog write function, and analog write resolution function. So this is specially used for analog sensors, okay? And if at all you want to fetch some sort of analog values. Coming to the math. So this is where we use them mostly for the mathematical applications like ABS, constraint, map, max, min, power, POW, power, square, or square root. Okay. Coming to the bits and bytes, we have bit, bit clear, bit read, bit set, bit write, high byte, and low byte. Okay. Coming to the trigonometry, we have functions like cos, sine, and tan. And the external interrupts, we have attach interrupt, detach interrupt, and digital pin to interrupt. And coming to the advanced input output, we have no tone, pulse in long, shift in, shift out, tone. And coming to the characters, we have is alpha numeric, is ASCII, is control, is digit, is graph, is hexadecimal digit, is lowercase, is printable, is punch, is space, is uppercase, and is white space. And coming to the interrupts, we have interrupts as well as no interrupts. And time also most widely used, like in order to give the delay, we use time with respect to delay and delay microsecond, micros, and millis. Coming to the random numbers, we have random and random seed. And if you are going to use some sort of communications, we have SPI, serial peripheral interface, print, serial, stream, and wire as well. Okay. And if you're going for an USB interfaces, we have keyboard and mouse. And if you are using some Wi-Fi sort of application or an option feature, we have Wi-Fi overview, Wi-Fi network, IP address, Wi-Fi client, Wi-Fi server, and Wi-Fi UDP. All these are the functions. Okay. Coming to the variables and constants. In the constants, we have floating point, high, low, input, input pull, output, LED built-in, true, false, all these comes under constants where we regularly use in the programming. And coming to the data types, we have array, bool, boolean, byte, char, double, float, int, long, short, size, string, unsigned char, unsigned int, unsigned long, void, word, all this comes under data types. And coming to the variable scopes and qualifiers, we have constant, scope, static, and volatile. Okay. And coming to the conversion, we have byte, character char, float, int, long. So in the long also, we have unsigned int as well as unsigned long, and we have a word. Coming to the utilities, we have program memory and size of. And the structures, coming to the part of structures, we have in the structures, we have a loop and setup, okay? And we have arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, okay? And we have pointer access operators like a difference, dereference operator and reference operators. And coming to the control structures, we have break, continue, do while, else, for, go to, if, return, switch case, while. And we already know the comparison operators, right? We have equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, okay? And if you want to do some bitwise operations, we have greater than, bit shift left, bit shift right, okay? Bitwise and, bitwise not, bitwise or, and bitwise XOR. And we also have some sort of syntax like hashing, hash define, hash include, okay? Semicolon, block comment, and Boolean operators like logical and, logical not, logical or, and we have lot many compound operators as well, like compound addition, compound bitwise or, compound bitwise XOR, compound division, compound multiplication, compound reminder, compound subtraction, increment, decrement, all these things will be used in the Arduino programming language according to the preferences.